Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a round jawline. We'll start by exploring the muscles that define your jaw's natural contours. Then, I'll guide you through effective exercises designed to enhance a softer, more rounded look. Finally, we'll cover practical lifestyle adjustments that contribute to overall facial harmony and a pleasing jawline. This comprehensive approach will help you achieve your desired aesthetic. Let's dive into some targeted exercises for a fuller jawline. First, try chewing sugar-free gum for about 15 minutes each day. This helps strengthen your masseter muscles. Next, practice making O and E vowel sounds, holding each position for 5 seconds to engage your facial muscles. Finally, a gentle 3-minute circular massage on your jaw muscles can improve circulation and promote a softer appearance. Consistency is key for visible results. Your diet and hydration play a significant role in your jawline's appearance. Aim for a balanced diet, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods to support healthy skin and muscle tone. Crucially, drink at least 8 glasses of water every day to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Also, try to reduce your sodium intake, as excessive salt can lead to water retention and a puffy facial appearance, obscuring your desired roundness. Beyond exercises and diet, lifestyle and posture habits are vital. Always maintain good posture, keeping your head level and your shoulders relaxed, as this directly impacts your neck and jaw alignment. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Adequate rest aids in facial rejuvenation and reduces puffiness. Lastly, be mindful of excessive screen time, which often encourages a forward head posture that can detract from a round jawline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.